Hi and welcome to Lansweeper scanning tutorials. Lansweeper's unique scanning algorithm automatically discovers IT networks of all sizes using a wide range of network protocols. In this video, we will focus on the discovery of antivirus software. Lansweeper pulls the most detailed antivirus information from WMI. This method will find out if the antivirus is enabled and if it is up to date. Lansweeper also looks at all installed software on a computer and checks if it contains known antivirus software. In the Lansweeper web console, an individual computer's antivirus information can be found on the summary page. To help you identify vulnerabilities in your network, you can also go to Software, Scanned Antivirus, to get an overview of all your assets and their antivirus state, so you can take action to secure your network. For more tips and tricks, be sure to check out our online knowledge base.